welcome back to my channel. Well, what we're going to be doing today is another Valentine's DIY, and this time we're going to be using almost all Dollar Tree items. It depends on which flowers that I use. So let me show you. I want to make a Valentine's lantern. I think this is going to be so cute. So let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this project. You're going to need 4 of these 4x6 picture frames that are almost like a shadow box from the Dollar Tree. They were blue, a real pretty light blue, and then they had gold around them, and I spray painted them. So you're going to need 4 of these. And then I spray painted them with that Valspar. And someone asked me the other day where I got my paint. This Rust-Oleum I got at Walmart, but this Valspar I either picked up at Lowe's or Home Depot, okay? But I spray painted the picture frames with this Valspar gloss in Frosty Berry, and I love it. That's what I used on one of the candy jars, okay? And then you're going to need one of these hearts from the Dollar Tree that just look like, almost like cardboard. And I spray painted it. Now I spray painted the back, but I had trouble removing that. Mine isn't going to be seen from the back. If yours is, you could put a sticker or delicately really remove this because it tried to literally tear this off. But I spray painted it with this in the Rust-Oleum in the poppy pink that I used on the other candy jars. Okay, then you're going to need something, I don't know, I think I got this at Hobby Lobby about 2 years ago. It's just round styrofoam that I picked up, like I said, I think at Hobby Lobby probably 2 years ago, okay? But you just need something that will fit inside our lantern. Then I'm either going to use these Dollar Tree roses. I think they're so pretty, the pink and the red, and they just look so real to me. So I have a bunch of each of these. I don't know if I'm going to use those or I'm going to use these beautiful pink little roses. They look like roses to me that I picked up at Walmart, and they were $3 a piece, okay? And you'll need a glue gun and E6000 if you want to make this permanent, something to cut your stems with, and then I may incorporate some of these Dollar Tree little gemmy stickers. I don't know, just this little gem part, or I may incorporate this on something, so it's hard to tell. So let me get everything cut off and then we'll get started. Okay, what I'm doing right now is I spray painted the back and the front of these picture frames, okay? You can either leave the glass in it and hot glue it inside the picture frames, which I've done before, but I think I want mine to be totally see-through, so I'm taking it out. Taking all the glass out of my picture frames. So as soon as I get this done, I'll be right back. Okay, now on 2 of them, the one for the top and the bottom, I am going to glue my glass in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a thin little bead right here, right on the corners. And then I'm going to drop this down in there and press it. And then I'll have to clean up my little cobweb. And that's what you get. So we're going to do the same thing on this one. I think this is really going to be a cute addition to my kitchen. For Valentine's, I really just decorate my kitchen and my dining room. That's all I do. But you could put this anywhere, and you wouldn't have to use this just for Valentine's. You could use it anytime, really, and paint this any color that you wanted. You could give it a cute farmhouse effect if you wanted. Okay, and here's the other one. Okay, so now what we're going to do, I'm going to take one and put it like this, where the deeper part is down. Then I'm going to take the others and put to where this is on the inside of the lantern. So the picture frame, the way it's supposed to look, will be on the outside. Okay, and we are just going to glue these. This is really easy. I'm going to put a bead of glue right down through here. And you don't want a whole lot. Now, if you are going to make this permanent, I would suggest E6000 and hot glue. The hot glue will hold it until the E6000 sets up. But I think this is already pretty. And a matter of fact, you could do a lot with this besides a picture frame, okay? All right, then we're going to put a bead of glue right down through here. And just make sure you flip it to where your glass is facing out. Because like I said, I want mine. Okay. And that's what we're getting so far, right like this. Okay. Then I'm going to put this right down in here. That's why I wanted something that would fit. I'm going to put it right down in here. I'm just going to put a little glue on the bottom and put that right there in the center. Okay. Then all you have to do, I think I'll go ahead and put the, well, no, I'm going to put the top on to make sure that's how I really want it. Okay. So then all you're going to do is put your top on, and I want my top to hang out just a little bit like that. That's why I fixed it. So it's just not perfectly flush, but almost perfectly flush. Okay. Then all you need to do is just put some glue right down through here. It could be flush, it could not be flush. It really doesn't matter. You don't have to be that precise with this because it can look either way, really. Okay, then we're just going to put this right on here and try to get it where we want it. And this is what we have. I think this is so pretty, okay? Okay, I got busy not thinking, and I glued this on top, but it doesn't have anything in it. So I accidentally put glass here and here. So you won't do that when you make yours. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this, and it was all I could do to get this off. Because I want that top, and I wasn't paying attention, okay? Okay, now I'll have it like I want it. Then, it's not going to fit as good because I messed up and I'm going back over the glue. So, I doubt that it will fit as nicely as I wanted it to. It might, but I kind of doubt it. Well, it worked. Okay, so that is how it's supposed to look with the glass on the top. So just leave your glass here out, or you could put glass all the way around it. It really doesn't matter, okay? Glad that I realized I had done that. Then what I want to do, I'm going to look at this. I think I want to put a heart on this to kind of really pop it. And actually, you could put 3 if you wanted. I think I'm going to put this one. Try to get it in the center. Like that. You could leave it just like that if you wanted. But I'm thinking that I may put this one right here. And I'm making sure I'm getting the same size hearts. And this one right here like that. You could even if you wanted, cover this whole top, but I don't want to. Okay, now what I'm going to do is just glue this on top. You could put flowers on top and a candle inside if that's what you wanted to do, but I wanted to do this. There really isn't a wrong or right way to do this. And that's what we're getting so far. I think that's really cute, okay? All right, now we're going to see what flowers we may want to put inside this. So let me cut this off and see. I may just want to stick with roses. I think I do. Just going to cut these off pretty short. And I'm just going to stick these right in here. You could put one rose if you wanted. It's really up to you. I'm going to put several in here. The only problem is over here, I did myself in by not, I wonder if I could get, okay, I just pushed that glass out. So right here we go. No biggie. You can see what we're getting. I think it's really sweet. Okay? You could put flowers on the top. I think that's precious. You could put lights in here with your flowers if that's what you want to do. I mean, the possibilities are really endless with this. You can do so much. Okay, so this is what we're getting so far. I think that's really cute, all right? Now, let's see if we want to add any bling going down this side. I think I do. I don't usually put a lot of bling unless it's like Christmas, but I'm really wanting to embellish this. I think it'll look so cute. Only thing is you gotta kind of get this. You probably should do this part maybe before you put the tops on, unless you think you can get it pretty good and level. And I'm not having that much trouble. And luckily, these, I haven't stuck them on with anything but just the sticky that they come with. I'm gonna put one right here in the center. And I'll probably put one on the bottom in the center. Okay. All right, do I want to put anything? Come through here. Might put this right here. Okay. And I think I'll put a little bit on the side. Just to kind of make it look a little finished. You could do the back too, but like I said, my back isn't going to be seen, so I don't really want to use my gems. And I'm running low. But I got these gems at the Dollar Tree a couple years ago. Okay guys, here it is. I really think this turned out super cute. I'll let you see it up close. This rocked over just a little bit, but there it goes. I think These picture frames make a nice lantern. You can see what it looks like. And I love this embellishment of the hearts from the Dollar Tree. So this is actually an all Dollar Tree DIY, unless these came from somewhere else, and they may have. I'm not sure where they came from. But this is how it looks. And I like just the hearts on the side. And like I said, you could embellish it further on the back. I just didn't want to. But here's the little flowers inside. Now right in here where you can see this, you could add greenery or just tiny little rosebuds. But I love how this turned out. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.